They're lining up and they're moving in for the Irwin Andrew Memorial Final for the Open Mares. I see Brian and Bill Andrew have their spots on the outside rail. Harness Racing thanks the Andrew family for their contributions to island and maritime racing. Here comes one excellent final for age mares. Totally Priceless, Caitlin Rose, One Hot Vet, PL Betterway, Troxel Hanover, JK Special, Grayson Harb, Shooters Bay, and it's a great start here. There they go, up and pacing. Totally Priceless, Caitlin Rose, One Hot Vet, JK Special, Grayson Harb leaving out, PL Betterway at the rail, then Shooters Bay, and towards the inside, Troxel Hanover as they go by the 8th pole. One Hot Vet from the outside, Totally Priceless at the rail. JK Special is outside and racing third. There'll be no holes tonight. Up the rail, 4th, Caitlin Rose. Grayson Harb, she's caught out but does have cover here. She's 5th. Then in 6th, it's PL Betterway. Troxel Hanover 7th. Shooters Bay, the trailer. Boom! Just like that, they fired up. 27-4. Wow! Big time opener. Down the stretch they come. One Hot Vet and Claire McDonald. JK Special in a whole heap of trouble. She's parked out tonight. 3rd at the rail, Totally Priceless. Grayson Harmony outside 4th. They're paired up here. 4 in, 4 out. 57-1. Opening half mile. To the 5/8 they go. One Hot Vet the leader. JK Special is 2nd. 3rd at the rail, Totally Priceless. Grayson Harb is dropping back 4th. Pacing from 5th, Caitlin Rose. Troxel Hanover 3 wide 6th. PL Betterway 7th. Shooters Bay trails the field 3 high by the 3/4. 1:27-1 with a shade more than an 1/8 to go. One Hot Vet at the rail. JK Special, Totally Priceless. Troxel Hanover there 4th. Down the stretch they come. One Hot Vet the leader. JK Special. What a magnificent trip from this mare. She's going to win it. Wow, that is one gritty performance by JK Special. She laid outside every step of the way. 1:57 flat. There's a 3-letter word that best describes JK Special performance tonight, folks. Wow. What a trip this mare has just went to claim the Irwin Andrew Memorial Final for Open and Age pacing mares tonight here at Charlottetown. Laying on the outside every inch of this mile. She dug in deep. She dug in late. And Chevrolet got her there. 1:57 the mile. JK Special, Bay Pacing Mare 6 by Cami Best, out of the Armbrell Acton Dam JK Beauty. A homebred of Joe Smallwood of Stratford. Joe's also the trainer. Walter Chevrolet, the winning driver. 1:57 flat the mile. Down at trackside, the Standard Break Canada Irwin Andrew Memorial Cooler presentation. Brian and William Andrew joining in the trackside ceremony.